Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Sephora haul part 2, and I did get a bunch of products from Marshalls as well. They're all beauty products. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you want to see what I got in this haul, just keep on watching. Let's start with my Sephora purchase. This is my second haul, and I did get these things just a day before the sale ends. I was browsing on the app and I did see the Case Skin launched in Sephora Canada, and I was so super excited. So I got her Water Dew Body Serum, and I also got her body lotion SPF 45. I was really excited to see these products launched in Canada. The Deep Water Dew, you guys, it is so pretty. This is the packaging. And it's very glowy, like beautiful glow. I just swatched the lip injection, the lip liner from Too Faced, and it's still on my hand. So this is the Dew from Case Skin. It is super reflective, it's super pretty. It will be so beautiful in the summertime just to put it on the shoulders. I'm really excited about this. I cannot wait to use it. And it doesn't have like any scent or anything like that, which is really nice. And this is the body lotion SPF 45. It's just a different color, but it's super beautiful packaging. I cannot wait to use these on my body. I got so many body lotions in this box, you guys. I got the Necessaire, the body lotion. It's a fragrance free. This is a multivitamin moisturizer for your body. It's a big tube. This is 200 ml. And I'm not going to open it because I do have to go through one thing that I have, and I will be using these all the time. And I also got the body lotion from Moroccan Oil. This is the bottle here. This is the original fragrance. This smells divine. Like, I cannot get over the Moroccan Oil stuff. I love scent. It's so good. The last body lotion I got is from Sephora. This is this Shea Butter All Day Body Hydration. I don't know how it smells. I don't want to open it, but it's a big jar, and this was 30% off, so I just wanted to try it and see if I like it. I can't remember. I think it was like 25 bucks maybe. Got another deodorant from Sol de Janeiro. I really enjoyed this scent more than the yellow one, and I've been using it for, I think I would say 2-3 weeks now. So just because I loved it so much and it's a sale, I decided to grab another one, so it's gonna last me for the whole summer. Yeah, it's a good one. From Kosas, I got this Brow Team Trio. These are 3 full sizes right here. You get a tinted brow gel, a clear brow gel, and a pencil as well. This is in the shade Brown Black, Soft Brown Black, which is, I think, a good deal for, I think it was $50. Yes. It was $50 Canadian, and it's worth $84. So I'm really excited about this. From Buxom, I got the Power Line Plumping Lip Liner, and I got it in the shade Hush Hush Henna, and it is this one here. It's such a beautiful color. You get a brush on one side, and then you get the pencil on this side here, and it's one of those triangular shape, which I don't mind. We'll see. I've never tried anything like that. And this is the color here. Cannot wait to use this. So the last thing in this box, I got this Merit Tinted Lip Oil, and this is in the shade Les Deux. This is in French, and this is the color. It's super pretty, like a very beautiful color. It's very sheer, so not a ton of color. It kind of changes as you apply it on your lip. I did try it and it was super pretty. It felt so good on the lip. It's very lightweight lip oil. It doesn't stain your lip just the tiniest bit, but it's mostly shine and oil. I have to try it more because I tried it only once just to see how the color looked like on my lips, but it just felt like it was my lip color but better. Got a bunch of samples here. I cannot wait to use this. Rare Beauty, the Soft Pinch Lip and Cheek. I've tried the blushes before. I want to try the lip oils from Rare Beauty, so I got 2 shades, Hope and Happy, and I have both of these blushes actually, Hope and Happy. I really love the Rare Beauty blushes. They're so amazing, very pigmented, and they last a long time on the cheeks. A sample, it's a good sample size here. This is from Say. I always wanted to try this. This is the Glowy Super Gel. This is in the shade Star Glow. which is this one here. It's super beautiful. It's a gel texture for sure, and it's very, very glowy. So this is, again, it's a beautiful for your base, or if you want to just put it on your body. It's so pretty. So this is my Sephora haul. I went to Shoppers Drug Mart and I picked up this #1 Chanel. This is the foundation from Chanel. I cannot wait to use this one. I got it in the shade BR22. So stay tuned for that. I will use it in my next video. So yeah, so this is my Sephora haul, and I'm gonna move on to my Marshall's beauty haul. I found these Smashbox brushes and I was like amazed when I saw them. I grabbed them all. There were only 3 left, and I got the Precise blush brush, which is right here. This one, this was like $14.99. I got 2 of the crease brushes, and this is the blending brushes. These were only $12.99 each, so I got them both, as this is the brush here, the blending brush. So I couldn't find these on the Sephora website, so I'm not sure if these are discontinued somehow at Sephora. I'm not sure. And this is the blush brush here. Super soft. Yes, I will definitely use this one for myself. This was only $14.99. And this is the color. I did swatch it and tried it once. It was so beautiful under the eyes. It was very lightweight. It did take care of my darkness under the eyes, and I really enjoyed it. So I was really happy to actually get this from Marshall's. I also got a blush from MAC, and this is in the shade Like Me, Love Me. So this is the color here. It's a beautiful peachy color with a hint of pink in it. It's not too pink, but it's mostly like orange, peachy, very soft color. So this is the color here. It is such a beautiful color. It's gonna be so pretty for the summertime. Also found this MAC Studio Moisture Cream from MAC. And this was only $20. And this is, I used to use it back in the day. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, it's like $50 or something at MAC. It's the same smell as their products. I really love it. So I'm super excited to use this one just before my makeup. Another skincare product I got, this one is from Bobbi Brown. This is the Hydrating Eye Cream. I always hear good things about this. I do use the vitamin enriched primer moisturizer for my face. I do like that one too. So when I saw this one there and the price, it was $35. Still more on the expensive side, but it's $72 at Sephora. So this is the eye cream. I'm not gonna open it because I'm gonna use whatever I have in my drawer, and I will start using this. And the last thing from Marshall's, I got this Gift Beauty. This is the High Performance Satin Lipstick. I was really shocked. This is a new brand to Sephora, but I got this lipstick and it was only $8. I did sanitize it and I tried it once. It was so pretty. Probably the same color as my lips. So this is the color. It's more on the plummy side. It is super pretty on the lips though, and it's very moisturizing. It's not too shiny, but it's just beautiful. It has a satin finish. So I was super excited to see this at Marshall's. They did have their eyeshadows as well, but I wasn't just like interested in the colors. I did not pick up any of those. But yeah, that was my haul from Sephora and Marshall's. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe before you go, and I will see you guys in my next video.